Go. Go.
Hi guys, and this is Cloud and this is Aaron. And I'm And I'm Jackie.
So for today, this is the part 2 of their doing challenges. Who's gonna read?
Me! Our challenge first is run over.
Run over. In there to here. 3, 2, 1, go. There looks to char. They're right there. They need to go. Okay, next challenge.
Next challenge now. 10 push up.
10 push up.
Ano?
Push up. Push up. 10 push ups. Aaron, 1. Ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ikaw naman, you three need to do it or else. You need to do it. It's for your blood. You need to do it or you're gonna be out. You need it. Oh, okay, next challenge. She doesn't want to do it. Jackie needs to do a bending and Cloud and Aaron needs to help Jackie.
And
Mag-bending ka. Tuwagin mo nga. Okay.
but
Kunin mo.
I'm not gonna do the bending.
I know. Jackie, tayo ka uli. I-help ka niya. Tayo ka uli. Tayo, tayo. Go, 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 go. You two need to help Jackie. Go.
Ikaw siya na ng taga-video, tapos ikaw na, kasi ate payat siya.
Okay, the next challenge. Jumping jacks 10 times. Jumping jacks.
Nagtapos na tayo ganon.
I don't know. Jumping jacks. 3, 2, 1, go. 1,
No, one more.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And say sunshine 5 times. Okay, that's enough. Answer the questions. Isa-isa kayo, ikaw una. What is your favorite subject?
Subject?
Favorite.
Science.
Science. What is your favorite number?
Number 85. Then,
Okay, what is your favorite person? Sino yung paborito mong tao? Sino yung paborito mong tao?
I need Kyler.
Ikaw, paborito mong subject, favorite subject.
Science. Ay, hindi. ESP sa pagkakatao.
What is your favorite number?
10.
What is your favorite person? Who is your favorite person?
Favorite person. Oh, my family.
Person, isang tao paborito mo.
Kuya. Yung crush mo, Jay.
Si Jonas, di niya yung favorite person. What is your favorite subject?
Art.
What is your favorite number?
9.
What is your favorite person?
Anika.
Okay, you three. Only one did not do the challenge that is do push-ups. So, the prize will be do it later night. Okay, the last challenge is we're gonna do a ghost hunting.
Tonight.
Yeah, tonight.
No, they're coming. And just don't point that corner. Hindi ka kasama, Aaron.
Kasama ka? Gusto mo ba?
Maingay
Ghost
yan
hunting. Huwag kang maingay, huwag kang mag-aaya, tayong apat lang.
Ayaw pa sila Queen.
Okay, only 4 of us will go and then after they do that ghost hunting, the prize is gonna be so cool. I don't know. You guys need to get ready. You guys need to get ready later night. Are you guys scared?
No.
Okay? Competitive tong tatlo ha. Sige.
I'm gonna point at that corner.
Okay. Okay, bye. Bye.